Hello friends, welcome to our channel Your Help Buddy. If you are trying to make a USB flash drive bootable, then Rufus is the best option. Open Google Chrome and search for Rufus and download the rufus.exe file from the official link. If you are using Windows 7 or older version, then click on the other version and be sure not to download above 3.22 version, but if you are using Windows 10 or 11, then Rufus version 4 is okay. After opening the software, the first segment is device option. Here the plug-in USB drive will appear in the second section. There are several options like non-bootable, MS-DOS, FreeDOS, disk, or ISO image. Select for ISO image and click on the select button. Now a search window will appear. If you are choosing Windows 11, then partition schemes should be GPT and target system should be UEFI. If you are choosing Windows 7 or 8 or XP, then you should select MBR option, and in target system you should select BIOS option. Now select the OS as per your preference. And let the other settings same as it is. Now click on Start button, but be sure your drive will be formatted so all your data in this USB drive will be lost. It will take some time, \lang equals n, so take a cup of coffee and enjoy. After completion of the process, you are ready with your bootable USB flash drive. Now plug in the USB flash drive in the target PC. Open the BIOS menu. For me it is delete button at the time of restarting, and you should select the first preference for boot choice is USB. Now restart the PC again while the USB drive still plugged in. Now the boot will start, and you can see here the Windows 11 installation window appear. Okay friends, if you think the video is helpful and informative to you, then please like, comment and share our channel. Stay tuned and stay updated.